Hi everyone, it's Chloe here from Chloe Bruce Academy, and today we're going to be going over how to tie your martial arts belt. There's many ways of doing this, but today I'm going to teach you my favourite way of tying my belt and the easiest way I've found to teach my students also. First things first, grab your belt, and all we're going to do is find the centre point. So half your belt and then make a fold like so. You're going to place that centre point of the belt onto your waist, okay, in the centre of your body, and then we're going to do a full circle round with one side of the belt, all the way round, pass it round, and then to the front. Okay, so that side has done a full loop around the body. Next, we're going to fold the opposite side around also on top of the side that's already gone round. So you're going to place it on top, hold the front still so that doesn't move, and then rotate the belt around the waist like so, on top of the belt that's already there. Okay? And then come back round to the front. So we should have our two halves meeting at the front, and we've done two loops around the body. From there, the loop that's on top is going to come underneath the two loops that we've already got in place. So it's going to slide under and then come up on top like so. And then you can tighten as much as you need, adjust, and we're here. Okay? Now from there we're just going to finish off by tying the belt so it doesn't move or come undone. In order to do that, we're going to come over with the bottom one. The top one folds on top, so we've got like a cross. And then the belt that's on top, we're going to come through the centre point, coming through that hole in the middle, okay, and then coming up like so. And then we're going to fasten and then bring the two ends down like so. And that's the easiest way that I've found to tie the belt, and the easiest way to teach your students also.